Okay folks, I'm going to do the unboxing of my Navslide navigation monitor sliding mount, model number 850. I actually wanted one of these for a long time. Some 6 or 8 months ago I was looking into mounting the GPS, the ways I could mount the GPS on my steering pedestal, and I came across this. I'm thinking about this for a while now, and as it turns out, I was finally able to get my hands on it. The company is Navslide and Navigation. This is one of their navigation mobility systems. Anyway, that is what I got. And there's their website, navslide.no, and they're the specs on it. They're Norwegian. They're from the company's in Norway. So this is the way it comes packed, and it's a very nice looking piece of gear. Just my first impression looking at it, it appears to be very well constructed, and they packed it really well in here. Gosh, I'm already liking it. We've got instructions. Oh, I got business cards. That's cool. Okay, thank you very much. We can put those out, in fact, at our office. Even gave me some zip ties. How about that? Here's the instructions. Parts list, so you can order parts if necessary. Different views, different options. It looks like, just at first glance here, that everything's going to be pretty adjustable on it. I understand they've mounted these in some really nice boats, so it's kind of neat to get one. I'm sure it'll dress up and kind of add to the value also. Anyway, these are plastic covers to go between the bar. This looks like for running. Oh, that's nice. This looks like it may be for running cables and whatnot. Well, this guy, this guy's substantial. Very substantial. As you can see, it's got another bar welded here on the inside. I guess that is to keep the actual mount from kind of toggling around on here, slipping around. These guys actually mount on the steering pedestal. They are just solid as could be. This is really cool because it makes it very customizable in what angle you're looking at. We'll be able to pull it around when we're at anchor and have it face the companionway so that we can keep an eye on the anchor along. So anyway, good grief. Yeah, that's substantial. Take it, yeah. Take the other one in. Well, one interesting thing, there's a little kind of a beveled area on the tool they gave me, so that if I need to bend the tool or kind of pivot the tool, it could still bite down into the hex head. So that was a nice little addition. They appear to have thought of everything here. It's like they've got the Navslide name. It's like possibly laser etched. Laser etched into it. That is nice. Just show you some of the kind of highlights on it. These knobs are going to be a nice addition for adjusting it. I'm not sure I would need instructions on this. It looks like it's going to be really simple to mount. Okay, so got me a big Allen wrench here. I'm going to loosen this guy up, and we're going to leave him just a little bit loose so that I can get the angle right on it, so that we can mount to the vertical poles. It's go up top side and we'll mount these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this guy around here first. It looks like that is going to be the exact size that I need. I went ahead and mounted this first one. It seemed only logical to mount it with this hex head in a position so that I can have access to it, and I can use that to, of course, tighten it up later. Okay, we're going to leave this all loose because I'm going to try a couple of different options on how to mount it. I thought about mounting it on the front side, but then again, possibly on the aft side. Okay, folks, so the way we've decided to mount this thing is with the mounts mounted to the pole on that side, and then we're going to loop this guy over and bolt him down right here. Keeps it out of the way of the table, cockpit table, and I'll also be able to see down through here and down through here to see my compass, and it'll give me plenty of adjustment on this guy. Yeah, I really like the way it's like they've computer embossed the name in there and all. It's a very, very high quality product. Every piece on here is solid. It's all chrome plated, and so okay, let me go get my tape measure and we will start measuring. It's about 12.5. Main thing is going to be a little tiny bit higher on this side. Main thing is going to be comfort and safety, and there you go, right on the money. Again, it was really helpful that you get the two tools with it that you need for this. It's really cool. Actually, I'm probably going to have to snug this up and then fit it back in there. So that is approximately 11.5, 12.5, so we're a little close. Boy, there you go, perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is great. This is great. So I'll be able to swing this around for viewing at different angles. Yeah, so this guy will be able to swing around. I can also pivot it here, and this will slide. Alright, so we can slide this across to the other side if we want. Very cool. Alright, so there are some parting shots of it installed. Very nicely done. I'm going to clip in some stills here of how it looks. Give you some still shots of the final version.